How do I use my laptop as a monitor via HDMI?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use your laptop as a monitor via HDMI. This can be extremely useful for multitasking or extending your display when you're working with more than one device.
What do you need?
Before we start, let's go over what you'll need. An HDMI cable, 2 devices, a laptop that you want to use as a secondary monitor, and a primary device such as another laptop or a gaming console. A software that allows the use of a laptop as a monitor, if your laptop doesn't support HDMI input natively. Remember, not all laptops can be used as monitors, and the process might differ based on the laptop brand and model.
Is your laptop capable of HDMI input?
Most laptops come with an HDMI port. However, it's important to note that this is typically an output port, not an input one. That means the laptop can display its contents on another screen, but it cannot receive video input from another device via HDMI by default. However, there are few high-end laptops and all-in-one PCs that do support HDMI input. To check this, review your laptop's technical specifications or consult with your laptop manufacturer's customer support.
How to use third-party software?
If your laptop doesn't support HDMI input, don't worry. You can still use it as a second monitor by leveraging a third-party software. Space Desk and Mouse Without Borders are 2 popular software tools for this purpose. After downloading and installing the software on both devices, you can connect them via the HDMI cable. Follow the software's instructions to set up your laptop as a secondary monitor.
How to connect devices directly via HDMI?
If you are one of the lucky ones whose laptop supports HDMI input, you can use the laptop as a second monitor without needing any software. 1. Connect the HDMI cable to both your primary device and the laptop. 2. Switch on both devices. 3. On your primary device, navigate to Display Settings. Detect and identify all monitors. You should be able to see your laptop as an available monitor. 4. Configure your display settings according to your preferences, such as duplicating the display or extending it. So that's it. That's how you can use your laptop as a monitor via HDMI. We hope this guide was helpful, and now you can enjoy a much more flexible and productive setup. Happy multitasking!